Welcome to Falkon SMS. Let's walk you through the simple steps to port your number to Falkon VoIP Direct Routing. Step 1. Verify Microsoft licenses. First, ensure you have the corresponding Microsoft Phone standard licenses for the numbers you wish to transfer. Step 2. Fill the Porting and Onboarding Form. Next, fill out our Porting and Onboarding Form, providing details such as the numbers to be ported and other required information. Step 3. Initiate the porting process. Once we receive the completed form, our team will initiate the porting process. This usually takes 4 to 5 days, with no downtime experienced during porting. Step 4. Configure direct routing. After successful porting, we'll request guest access to your Microsoft Global Admin account to configure direct routing with Falkon VoIP. You can create a dummy user and provide admin rights to that account. Step 5. Text enable the numbers. Finally, once the number porting is complete, we'll text enable your numbers. And that's it. Porting your number to Falkon VoIP Direct Routing is simple and seamless. Visit our website or contact us today to get started.